Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and welcome back to another turning demonstration. We're going to be coming back to our balusters and adding a variation to the center section of this process. In the last video, we actually added flutes and indexing to the center portion. In this video, we're going to be adding what's called a Barley twist, a very classic, traditional kind of English style piece to this. And so let's go see how it's done on the Maverick E series. This entire demonstration will be done on the turning workstation, which is a module that can be added to the Maverick E series at any time. Normally, the dust chute is closed to contain all the sawdust during the machining processes. However, here we open it up so that you can see all the cutting action. All the cutters used throughout this entire cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. Since this video is focusing on a variation of an existing spindle design that we did in a previous video, we're going to be going through the first two cutters pretty quick. If you want to see those broken down into greater detail and close-up shots where you have a better understanding of what's going on with the surfacing cutter and the tapered ball cutter, I recommend checking out the video, Turning Technique, Contour Turning from a Photo, Part 3. So after we duplicated the process of the previous spindle of turning it round with the surfacing cutter and doing the contoured sections with the 1/8 inch taper ball cutter, we are now ready to continue on to the center portion of this baluster by adding the Barley twist detail to the existing design. Just like the rope twist detail that we added in a different video, the Barley twist looks really nice when we add two turning profiles on either end. That way it has a smooth transition going along the entire length. Now, even though this is another twist factor, just like the rope twist, this one also has some different rules and things that you follow in order to create a traditional Barley twist design. Typically, you use a cutter that matches the same diameter as the actual round stock. So this is 1.5 inches in diameter for the middle cylinder, and we're going to match that with a 1.5 inch Barley twist cutter. Now, the other difference between a Barley twist and a rope twist is the actual shape of the cutter. A rope twist comes down to a point, where a Barley twist cuts much deeper and comes down to a kind of a ball shape at the bottom. The other distinctive feature that happens with the Barley twist is that it has one start that continually spirals among itself, whereas the rope twist, as an example, had 3 starts evenly spaced around the circumference. This too was programmed using Legacy's Conversational CAM software, and it automatically breaks up the cuts into multiple passes so that we can get the best finish with minimum sanding. To support our customers and those interested in learning about CNC before they invest in one, we offer online workshops that cover all of these types of details and much more. Again, to add this beautiful detail to an existing baluster design only took an additional 3 minutes. And she turned out beautiful. Even though this is a classic design that fits a specific theme, it's still fascinating to watch this take place using that Barley twist cutter. This again was done in Conversational CAM, Legacy's turning software. And if you're interested in learning more about what a Legacy CNC can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. Now, if you have any questions, you can always talk to a CNC expert at 801-491-0010. But you can also leave any comments or questions down below. Now, if you'd like to see more turning and cutting demonstrations on the Legacy CNC systems, just click right over there. To keep up to speed on what we're trying to do here, if you're interested in seeing more, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.